Calathea ornata versus Beauty Star. Calathea ornata and Beauty Star are both stunning plants in my collection, but they offer different vibes. I find the ornata's pink-striped leaves incredibly striking and elegant, almost like nature's version of pinstripes on a sleek suit. Calathea Beauty Star, on the other hand, has a more intricate pattern with lighter green and creamy white stripes that give it a softer, more artistic look. When I look at my ornata, I feel a sense of sophistication and boldness, whereas the Beauty Star brings a touch of serenity and refinement to my space. See more 59 species in genus Calathea at monsteraholic.com. Calathea ornata versus White Star. Comparing Calathea ornata to White Star, it's a different experience altogether. The ornata's pink stripes are always a showstopper, adding a pop of color that catches everyone's eye. White Star's leaves, however, are more delicate with their white and green patterns, exuding a calm and peaceful vibe. I love how the ornata stands out and makes a bold statement, but the White Star has this understated elegance that makes me appreciate the subtle beauty in my home. Both are gorgeous in their own right, but they each bring a unique presence to my collection. How to care for Calathea ornata. How often to water Calathea ornata? Caring for my Calathea ornata has been a journey of trial and error, but I've found a routine that works well for me. I keep it in a warm and humid environment, away from direct sunlight. I mist its leaves regularly to maintain the humidity levels it loves. When it comes to watering, I've learned that it's best to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so I let the top inch of soil dry out slightly before watering again. Additionally, I make sure to use filtered water to avoid any mineral buildup that could harm my plant. How big can Calathea ornata grow? My Calathea ornata has grown to be quite impressive in size, reaching about 2 feet tall and wide at its fullest. Its lush, vibrant leaves create a stunning display, adding a touch of tropical elegance to my space. I've found that providing it with enough space to spread its leaves without crowding other plants has allowed it to thrive and reach its full potential. How to propagate Calathea ornata. Propagation has been an exciting experiment for me with my Calathea ornata. I've successfully propagated it through division, carefully separating healthy sections of the plant with their own roots intact. I ensure that each division has enough roots and foliage to sustain itself, then plant them in their own pots with well-draining soil. With proper care and patience, these divisions have grown into new, thriving plants. How to repot Calathea ornata. Repotting my Calathea ornata is something I do every year or two to refresh its soil and provide it with more space to grow. When repotting, I gently remove the plant from its current pot, being careful not to damage the roots. I then place it in a slightly larger pot with fresh, well-draining soil, making sure not to bury the rhizome too deeply. After repotting, I water it thoroughly to help it settle into its new home. How to save Calathea ornata. Saving my Calathea ornata from distress has required keen observation and quick action. Whenever I notice its leaves starting to curl or droop, I check for signs of stress such as dry soil, low humidity, or pests. Adjusting its care routine accordingly, such as increasing humidity levels or adjusting watering frequency, has helped revive my plant and restore its health. Is Calathea ornata toxic to cats? As a cat owner, the safety of my pets is paramount, so I've done thorough research on the toxicity of my Calathea ornata. Fortunately, it's non-toxic to cats, which gives me peace of mind knowing that my furry friends can safely coexist with this beautiful plant in my home. Why is my Calathea ornata curling? When my Calathea ornata started curling its leaves, I was initially concerned about its health. After some investigation, I discovered that leaf curling can be caused by various factors, including inadequate humidity, over or underwatering, or exposure to drafts or direct sunlight. Adjusting its care routine to address these issues, such as increasing humidity levels and ensuring consistent watering, helped alleviate the leaf curling over time. Where to buy Calathea ornata? I've found that purchasing Calathea ornata from reputable nurseries or online plant shops ensures that I receive healthy, well-cared-for specimens. Local plant stores often carry a variety of Calathea species, including the ornata and knowledgeable staff can provide guidance on proper care and maintenance. Online retailers also offer a convenient option for purchasing rare or hard-to-find varieties, with the added benefit of doorstep delivery. Does calathea ornata close at night? Observing my calathea ornata's behavior, I've noticed that its leaves tend to close slightly at night, giving it a unique and dynamic appearance. This behavior is a natural response to changes in light and temperature as the plant prepares for rest during the nighttime hours. It's fascinating to witness these subtle movements, adding to the allure of this captivating plant in my home.